These are all of my summer or travel essential capsule makeup products. Starting off with sunscreen, the Ulta MD one. After sunscreen, I usually do the base of my face, and I have a brand new Merit Complexion stick. I actually already used up my old one. You get more product from the new one without any price change. It's still really compact, and because it's a stick, it's not liquid, you will never have to worry about the liquid falling everywhere, especially great for traveling. I picked up actually a slightly different shade, Orchre, versus the last shade that I used up with Bisque. I feel like Bisque was just a tad bit darker, so easy to glide it on. And I just draw random lines all across my face. So I make sure I can get it everywhere. And I usually use either my hand or a damp beauty sponge. It'll give you kind of the most natural look. Whoa, this is truly perfect color match. By the way, this makeup bag is a gift for your first ever Merit purchase. And I was kindly sent these Merit products, but I will spend my own money to repurchase once I use them up. When I touch my face, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face. The next thing is also a complexion stick, much darker shade, which is perfect for contour. You can even apply them on your eyes as eyeshadow. It is also really buildable. I totally forgot to conceal this little red dot on my nose. For spot concealing, I usually use the NARS Creamy Concealer. I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge to dab a little bit. For eye palettes, ever since I went to Japan and found this AZTK. I don't know how you can get this product in North America. Maybe go to like a Japanese grocery store. You know how sometimes they have makeup and skincare products. You can also go for ColourPop's 4-color quads. Now mine isn't a very everyday color. This is the Tender Loving Cancer. They definitely have a few for shadow quads that are great for every day. Priming my eyelids with lightest shade. Then we're gonna go in with middle shade. And then using a smaller brush to deepen the corner. Always blend, blend, blend. Highlighting shade. And it instantly just brighten up. Onto eyeliner. I use my all-time favorite Hair & Make liquid waterproof eyeliner. While we wait for it to dry, I usually do my brows. So I use the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I much prefer just staying a little bit away from the mirror when I do my brows, because that's how you make your brows look the most natural. Curling the eyelashes. So I use the Shuamura eyelash curler, Kaja 3-in-1 mascara, primer / serum, volumizing, lengthening. If I am traveling or going to just like a hotter climate, I pretty much never bring highlight because my face is already combination to oily. So it definitely does not need additional shine throughout the day. So the next step is the blush, and I'm using the Merit blush in Beverly Hills. I've recently learned this, but when you're doing your blush, think of 2 brand logos. One is Nike, so do the swoosh, and then the other one is Adidas, so do the ... to kind of blend it out. It looks like your face is just naturally glowing of like pinky tones after a really good workout. Chanel Universal Compact 30 Natural. It does have, I would say, light coverage. So if you want a really natural look, you could just go in with this. Also comes in a luxurious velvet pouch. So who doesn't like beautiful products that they can carry with them when traveling? A new Merit lip product. I'm already a huge fan of Merit lip products. I love all of their lip oils. And then their signature lipstick, I already have Cabo. Now they have, I believe, relaunched Aperitif. I think this might be my new favorite red shade. I have quite a lot of really bright red lipsticks, but This is the most everyday red. It is still a big pop of color, but I can totally see myself wear this every day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more beauty or makeup type of videos, and I will see you in one of these ones. Bye!